Bitcoin is forming right now this really dangerous pattern, and the question is, will we break here now into lower levels, or will this support that we are still trading in hold for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term? That is something that we definitely have to talk about. So make sure that you are subscribed and also like this video and activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important videos once I release them. And now, without any further ado, let's directly jump here into today's content. So I wanted to make this video, or let me put it this way. I saw this pattern actually forming already way earlier, but I had no time to make a video earlier. So that's why we see this potential M pattern already have been played out. So because here was the neckline, the support line of it. So, and we have broken here to the downside. So, and that means that we should reach the potential target of this M pattern, which would be all the way down at, look at this, $19,200, exactly where our major key support is sitting here. So once we are losing this support box, then we go all the way down to the next major support at 19,200, where we had the prior all-time high. So if we would short this from the bottom of the support, if it breaks, so this would be a 1.8% trade. If you trade with 20x leverage, for example, on BYBIT, that would be 36%, so which is not all too shabby for a trade that can play out here in a matter of 3-4 hours. So I take this every day. Yeah, guys, don't forget, if you want to trade on BYBIT, there's still a huge bonus available. Click on that link in the description or in the pinned comment below right now to claim the bonus of over $4,000, guys. When we go then into the higher time frames, also here we see a failed breakout attempt on the daily chart. We have here a smaller falling wedge. So, and we have now this failed breakout where we hit a higher key resistance level of $20,400, could not break through this and got rejected from there, and still sitting on the upper downwards trending now support line for the time being. If we don't close the candle as it is right now, because then it would be again resistance. But for now it's support. Yeah. So, but if we fall back into this falling wedge pattern, then we most likely also see a move all the way down to the bottom of it to around $18,000. Yeah, even though we have two other support levels coming in, the white downward sloping trend line, which is around $19,000, and then just $200 below another support that is coming in. So we could see a small bounce from there and potentially then maybe a break to the downside if we are not shifting this trend really fast back to the upside, because also here on the EMA ribbon we can see the price action is about to break down to the downside and to be in a or to continue this downwards trend that we are in since almost 2 months already, since we tried to flip here the last time. So if we go back here all the way, then we are way long already in this downwards trend. So here we can see it, we are in it since April. So we are here over 6 months in this downwards trend for Bitcoin. So, and I think it's about time that we see the EMA ribbon flip again to have a couple of months of a really nice uptrend for Bitcoin. We can also have a quick look here at Ethereum, because Ethereum was looking really bullish today until it changed. Because also here we are trading in this ascending triangle, and we had here multiple attempts to break out of it, but because Bitcoin took a shit, Ethereum went with it. So as we can see it here right now, we were trading above the neckline of this ascending triangle, and now we're again within the ascending triangle. So, but the way how things are looking, we can actually adjust the line a little bit higher, potentially like this. Yes, so I think that makes a little bit more sense if we have it like this right now. But yeah, we came to the top, got rejected, most likely come to the bottom, and that might give us a nice opportunity to long Ethereum from there if we don't break further down. So if you open a long position here, make sure that your stop loss is kind of around here or at this low point, just in case if we break completely to the downside here, that you're protected and don't incur much loss here. If we break to the upside, then we can also have a look at the potential target here. So the potential target, if we break it to the upside, would be $1,534. So and that would be, of course, an amazing trade of almost 12%, especially if you catch this from the bottom here. And then we are talking about almost 18% with 20x leverage. That's a 360% trade that we can get into here if we time this right. So I would definitely look to take a position here to make this trade. And guys, don't forget tomorrow morning, my morning, around let's say 10 a.m. Dubai time, I will start with my daily live streams where I will be live trading with you guys for an hour or two, and you can look over my shoulder how I actually research coins that I want to trade and also trade them then with you together on a live stream. So definitely tune in. Don't miss that opportunity. There's also not much more to say here, guys. The stochastic RSI is trending to the downside, so there could be still for over the next coming hours some more downwards pressure, so that we hit here the bottom of this ascending triangle, this upward sloping support line, and from there I would take a long position. But like I said, with a really tight stop loss here in this area, as I explained, with the target all the way up at $1,500. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it here once again. Don't forget that I appreciate each and every one of you out there supporting me. Thank you so much for that. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.